I don't want to be classified female. If you look sexy, if you're pretty, if you're gorgeous, men are gonna look at that first.
Tell them straight, don't take no bullshit. Don't take no bullshit from nobody.
I'm family stuff for the girls.
I'm always for woman power.
Studio One, of course, is known like Jamaica's Motown. That started from the sound system days where you have to, where they play the A side and then the DJ on the dub side. Sexy but discreet. Hardcore but still sweet. That's how I describe my music.
My greatest influence was my obstacles.
If they want to advertise bare soap, no matter what it is, you see a woman and the top body uncovered.
You know, the only thing worse than being a sex object is not being a sex object.
Nobody can stop you. Only you can stop yourself. Only you can stop yourself.
Watch the things where you do and where you say.